no, it's raining so hard.
Yes, the weather changed very quickly.
I forgot my umbrella today.
Really? That's bad timing.
I know, now I'm completely wet.
Wait, you can stand under my umbrella.
Oh, thank you. That is very kind.
No problem. The rain is getting stronger.
Are you also waiting for the bus?
Yes, the number 24 bus.
Really? Me too.
That's a nice coincidence.
I hope the bus comes soon.
It should arrive in a few minutes.
I feel a little cold.
Here, take my scarf.
Oh no, I can't take your scarf.
It's okay, I insist.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
My mother always says, help people when you can.
Your mother sounds like a wise person.
Yes, she is very kind.
Oh, look, someone dropped a bag.
Where?
Near that bench.
You're right, I see it.
Maybe someone forgot it?
Let's check if someone is looking for it.
Wait, a woman is running toward us.
She looks worried.
Maybe the bag is hers?
Excuse me, did you see a blue bag here?
Yes. Is this your bag?
Oh, yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I thought I lost it forever.
Everything is safe now.
You two are very kind people.
We just wanted to help.
The world needs more people like you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Finally.
I guess this rainy day was not so bad after all. Oh no, where is my phone?
What happened, Alex?
My phone is missing.
Are you sure? Check your pocket.
I already did, it's not there.
Maybe it's in your bag.
No, I checked my bag too.
When did you last see it?
I was using it here at the table.
Maybe it fell on the floor.
Wait, let me check under the chair.
Do you see it?
No, it's not here.
Don't panic. Think carefully.
My phone has all my important contacts.
Maybe someone returned it to the counter.
That's possible. Let's ask the cashier. Excuse me, did someone find a phone here? What kind of phone? A black phone with a blue cover. Let me check. I hope someone found it. Yes, a man gave this phone to me. Really? He said someone left it on the table. That must be mine. Can you unlock it? Yes, of course. Here you go. Yes, it's my phone. Thank you so much. No problem. Please be careful next time. I will. I was very worried.
See? Everything is fine now.
Yes, today I learned an important lesson.
What lesson?
Never leave your phone on the table.
That's a smart lesson.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
Friends always help each other.
Let's sit again and finish our coffee.
Good idea. Excuse me, sir. Are you looking for something?
Oh, yes, I lost my wallet.
Your wallet?
Yes, it was in my pocket a few minutes ago.
Don't worry. Let's look for it together.
Thank you. I'm very worried.
What color is your wallet?
It is black.
Was it big or small?
Medium-sized. It has my ID card and money.
Okay, let's check near the bench first.
I already looked there, but I didn't see it.
Maybe it fell near the bus stop sign.
That is possible. I was standing there earlier.
Wait, what is this on the ground?
Where?
Near the pole.
Oh, that looks like a wallet.
Let me pick it up.
Is it black?
Yes, it is.
That must be mine.
Let me check the ID card.
My name is David Miller.
Yes, the ID says David Miller.
That's me. Thank goodness.
Here is your wallet, sir.
Thank you so much. You saved my day.
You're welcome. Please check if everything is inside.
Yes, my money and cards are all here.
That's great.
Young lady, you are very honest.
I just wanted to help.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Emma, thank you again.
No problem, sir.
The bus is coming now.
Yes, I see it.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too, sir. Stay safe.
Thank you, Emma. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay?
Oh dear, I can't find my glasses.
Your glasses?
Yes, I need them to read my hospital papers.
Don't worry, I will help you find them.
Thank you, dear. My eyes are very weak without them.
Did you have them a few minutes ago?
Yes, I think so. I was reading this form.
Maybe they are on the chair.
I don't see them there.
Wait, what is that near your bag?
Near my bag?
Ah, are these your glasses?
Oh, yes, those are mine.
Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you so much, dear girl.
You're welcome. Please be careful.
Now I can see clearly again.
That's great.
You are very kind. What is your name?
My name is Lisa.
Lisa, you made my day better.
I'm happy I could help.
The world needs more kind people like you.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope your hospital visit goes well.
Thank you, dear. God bless you.
Excuse me, young lady.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
I want to cross the road, but I feel a little scared.
Don't worry. I can help you cross.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please hold my arm.
Thank you, dear. The road looks very busy.
Yes, many cars are passing.
I cannot walk very fast.
That's okay. We will walk slowly.
You are very kind.
It's no problem. I'm happy to help.
When can we cross?
Let's wait for the traffic light.
Oh, I see the red light now.
Yes, when it turns green, we can go.
All right.
Look, the line is green now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hold my arm carefully.
Yes, I am holding it.
Let's walk slowly.
Thank you for helping me.
Be careful. A car is turning.
Oh, I see it.
Don't worry. We are almost there.
Good. I feel safer with you.
We are on the other side now.
Oh, wonderful. We crossed the road safely.
Yes, we did.
Thank you very much, dear.
You're welcome, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Lisa.
Lisa, you are a very kind girl.
Thank you. I'm glad I could help.
Have a nice day, Lisa.
You too, ma'am. Take care.
Tom, you look very worried. What happened?
I think I made a big mistake today.
A mistake? What do you mean?
I missed an important phone call
From whom?
from the company where I had my interview.
Oh no, that sounds serious.
Yes, I was sleeping when they called.
Did they leave a message?
Yes, they said they wanted to talk about the job.
That could be good news.
Maybe, but I did not answer the call.
Don't panic. You can call them back.
I'm afraid they will think I am careless.
Everyone misses calls sometimes.
But this job is very important to me.
Then you should call them now.
My hands are shaking.
It's okay. Take a deep breath.
What if they already chose someone else?
You won't know until you try.
You're right. I should be brave.
Exactly. I believe in you.
Okay, I will call them now.
Good. Put the phone on speaker.
All right, dialing now.
I'm nervous too.
It's ringing.
Stay calm.
Hello? Good afternoon. This is Tom speaking.
Hello, Tom. We were waiting for your call.
Really? I'm very sorry I missed your call earlier.
That's all right. We understand.
Thank you for your patience.
We have good news for you.
Good news?
Yes, we would like to offer you the job.
What? Really?
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
We will send you the details by email.
I truly appreciate this opportunity.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Tom, what did they say?
Emma, I got the job.
That's amazing.
I can't believe it.
See, I told you not to panic.
Thank you for supporting me.
Friends always help each other.
Today is the happiest day of my life. Excuse me, is this the entrance for Bright Tech Company?
Yes, it is. Are you here for an interview?
Yes, but I think I have a problem.
What kind of problem?
I lost my interview letter.
Oh, that is not good.
I had it in my hand a few minutes ago.
Maybe you dropped it offside.
I hope so. This interview is very important to me.
Calm down. Let's look around.
Thank you, sir. I'm very nervous.
What is your name?
My name is Daniel Parker.
All right, Daniel. We will find it.
I worked very hard for this chance.
Don't lose hope so quickly.
I remember standing near that bench.
Let's check there first.
Okay, maybe the paper is there.
I see some papers on the ground.
Really? Where?
Near the flower pot.
Oh no, those are not mine.
Wait, what is this under the bench?
Let me see.
It looks like a white envelope.
My interview letter was in a white envelope.
Then maybe this is yours.
Yes, this is mine.
Good. Check if everything is inside.
Yes, the letter is here.
That's great news.
Thank you so much for helping me.
No problem.
I thought my dream was over.
Dreams don't end so easily.
You are right.
Your interview time is soon.
Oh no, what time is it now?
It's 9:25.
My interview is at 9:30.
Then hurry inside.
Yes, I must go now.
Good luck, Daniel.
Thank you. I will do my best.
Stay confident.
I will remember your help.
Go now. They are waiting.
Okay, here I go.
Believe in yourself.
I will.
Excuse me, whose bag is this?
Wood bag.
This blue bag on the seat.
I'm not sure. Maybe someone forgot it.
The bus is almost empty.
Yes, most passengers already left.
Should we check inside the bag?
Maybe we should wait first.
What if the owner is worried right now?
That is possible.
I see a phone inside the bag.
A phone?
Yes, maybe we can call someone.
That could help.
Wait, the phone is ringing.
Really?
Yes, someone is calling.
Answer it carefully.
Hello?
Hello, who is this?
I found this phone in a bag on the bus.
Oh no, that is my bag.
Don't worry, it is safe.
Thank you, I was very scared.
Where are you now?
I just got off the bus 2 stops ago.
The bus is still moving.
Can you please keep the bag safe?
Of course. The driver will stop at the next station.
Thank you so much, I'm running there now.
Okay, we will wait. We are reaching the station. I see someone running.
Is this my bag?
Yes, I believe so.
Oh, thank goodness.
Please check if everything is inside.
Yes, my wallet and documents are here.
That's good.
I can't thank you enough.
It's okay. Anyone would do the same.
You saved my important papers today.
I'm glad I could help.
Kind people make the world better.
That is very true.
Please be careful next time.
I will never forget this lesson.
All right, the bus must leave now.
Thank you again.
Take care.
You too.
Excuse me, good morning.
Good morning. How may I help you?
My name is Kevin Ross. I have an interview today.
Yes. What time is your interview?
It was at 9 a.m.
It is already 9:20.
I know, I am very sorry.
What happened?
The bus was delayed because of traffic.
I understand, but the interview has already started.
Please, is there any chance I can still meet them?
Let me check with the manager.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Please wait here for a moment.
Of course. A few minutes later.
Mr. Ross?
Yes?
The manager said you may come upstairs.
Really? Thank you so much.
Room 304.
Thank you. I will go right now. Come in. Good morning, sir.
You must be Kevin Ross.
Yes, sir. I am very sorry for being late. Please sit down. Thank you. So, Kevin, why were you late today? There was heavy traffic and my bus stopped for a long time. Did you try to call us? Yes, but I could not find the office number. That is unfortunate. I understand if you want to cancel the interview. Why do you think that? Because being late looks unprofessional. That is true, but honesty is also important. I always try to be honest. I can see you are very nervous. Yes, sir, this job means a lot to me. Tell me why you want to work here. I admire your company's work and values. That's a good answer. I promise I will work very hard. All right, Kevin, let's begin the interview. Thank you for giving me this chance. First question, tell me about yourself. My name is Kevin Ross. I graduated last year in business administration. Good, continue. I enjoy learning new skills and working with people. Interesting. After the interview. Kevin, thank you for coming today. Thank you for your time, sir. Despite being late, you showed determination. I really tried my best. We will contact you soon with the result. I appreciate the opportunity. Have a good day. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.